also played King Lear, the tale of an ancient king of Britain prior to the Roman invasion of the island, a work which was the foundation for Shakespeare's own later play, King Lear. The Queen's Men also performed various productions concerning the reigns of King John, Richard III, Henry IV, and Henry V, English monarchs of the 13th, 14th, and 15th centuries who were the subjects of much of Shakespeare's output in the 1590s. Given the close parallels between the plays the Queen's Men were performing in the late 1580s and early 1590s and the later content of Shakespeare's own plays, there is a strong argument in favor of him being associated with the troupe during his lost years. That Shakespeare had committed to working as an actor, poet, and playwright by the early 1590s is further suggested by a well-known literary attack against him from 1592. This came from the critic Robert Greene, who, writing in a periodical entitled Greene's Groat's Worth of Wit in 1592, which was published after his death in September of that year, lambasted Shakespeare as, quote, an
A place cannot produce poems. It can only not prevent them. And Freetown is good at that, for Freetown has its own sudden elegances. People are slow to leave it, quick to return. And there are others who come for a year or two and stay for a lifetime, sensing that they found a city that is in the world, yet sufficiently on the edge of it to have a different resonance.
Let me tell you something about this city. All of us, we're all just passing through, and we've all been here forever.
Those who came, those who stayed, those who never returned. Tides turn, seasons change, we've waited and we've watched. But we've always been here. We've always listened, because there is a different resonance here. It comes from the river, and the land, and the sky.
It's our place. All of us.
This city belongs to everyone.
And you know when it's your time.
And it's our time.
Listen, we are Freetown.
We are Freetown!
The golden rules of Freetown.
Don't pretend you're something that you're not.
Don't go thinking you're better than anyone else,
or that anyone else is better than you.
Don't shout about it. Get on with it.
We are Freetown!
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 Yeah!
We found our voice again.
I'm from India and Freetown.
I'm from China and Freetown.
I'm from the UK and Freetown.
I am from Nigeria and Freetown.
I am from home and Freetown.
This city belongs to everyone.
The fishermen,
the taxi driver,
the barber,
the drummers, the dancers.
All of us.
All of us. Everybody. We are Freetown.
The past is ours.
The future is ours. It's our time again.
And this city belongs to everyone.
The playwright,
the greengrocer,
the teacher,
the dog.
This space is ours.
This light is ours.
The beaches are ours.
The rivers now we own.
The roads are ours.
The bridges now we own.
We are Freetown.
We are all visitors and we've all been here forever.
We've got the mightiest river.
And the biggest sky.
And there's a resonance again.
Freetown. Freetown.
We are proud of this place.
We love this city.
And we want you to love it too.
We are proud of this place.
Na pass we all dey pass like stranger dem, but we all don dey from there. Come here, and you'll feel it, that end of the line sense of freedom. Say yes to Freetown. Say yes to freedom.
It's a pleasant afternoon and warm welcome to News Hour 3. In this edition, fire and goals, several stalls at Lumley Region Road in Freetown. President Julius Maada Bio hands over $3.7 million symbolic check to the Magampano Foki Chiefdoms as Community Development Fund from the Magampa Mines Limited. Meanwhile, President Bio joins the people of McKinney to celebrate the annual Education Week at the University of McKinney. All the stories and more, including business, entertainment, and sport, are lined up in the next 1 hour of News Hour 3. Welcome to News Hour. We start on a very sad note. Hurricane fire has engulfed several stalls at Lumley. Now bring you highlights of the incident.
Namina, the man where they in charge of the store now. But this afternoon, I just hear in Omona this incident way happen. Say the stores they don't burn. As I take bike immediately, I come for like I see, but I see now the place all over the fire don't take because as they get the from now the place all over the fire don't take because as they get the information the way they go on, they say na bad lights na ingi they cause the lights they come and go.
President Julius Maada Bio has handed over a $3.7 million symbolic check to the Marampama Foki chiefdoms. This payment, equivalent to $83,700,000, represents 1% of Community Development Fund for Marampama Mines Limited for the 2023 and 2024 fiscal years. The event also saw the commissioning of Marampama Mines Limited expanded production capacity of 3.75 million tons of high-grade iron ore annually. This milestone signaled Sierra Leone's readiness to attract and sustain investment.
President Julius Maada Bio expressed gratitude to Marampama Mines Limited for their significant investment in Sierra Leone. He commended their expansion efforts and the payment of the Community Development Fund, calling it a win for local communities.
This symbiotic relationship is imperative for the smooth operations of the company, just as it is for the community and national development. I have been told reliably that MML has provided over 2,000 jobs for the local community, including jobs for women, which exceed the 30% minimum quota for women.
The president also emphasized the importance of corporate social responsibility.
I'm most proud that Port Loco is today benefiting from my government's commitment to private sector investment to transform lives one job at a time.
Madam Patricia Nukuluka, Chief Financial Officer of Greg Mentors, spoke on behalf of the company's CEO, Greg Dean. She thanked President Bio for fostering an investor-friendly environment despite global economic challenges.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank you, President Bio. Craig has shared with me on a number of occasions that you are his friend, a true supporter of MML when they need it. Thank you and God bless you. At Marampama Mines, we believe in shared prosperity. That's why today we are presenting our 1% free on board revenue for 2023 and 2024 for the Community Development Fund. Through this fund, we will support projects that have a direct and lasting impact on the people who live here, whether it's building schools, improving healthcare facilities, creating new jobs, or protecting the environment for future generations.
The president and his team toured the new facilities, including a gigantic crusher, a sack mill, and an expanded power plant. The upgrades and designs, production, and efficiency align with the company's promises. For Slbc TV News in Freetown, Hamosu reporting from Port Loco District, Lonsar.
Meanwhile, President Bio has joined the people of McKinney to celebrate the annual Education Week at the University of McKinney. leaders, educators, and international partners gathered to highlight progress in Sierra Leone's education sector, driven by the President Free Quality Education Initiative.
Makeni City hosted this year's Education Week with stakeholders showcasing innovations in education. Pupils and students explored various exhibitions, gaining new insights. In his keynote address, President Chidus Madabi reaffirmed his government's commitments to education as the foundation of national development. He stressed the